House tour!
Yes, and we are sharing to you yung bahay namin. At kung hindi nyo natatanong, hindi sa amin to.
Yes!
We are just renting here, pero dito kami nakatumira during the start of the pandemic hanggang ngayon. And we are not planning to stay here for long. Baka sasakit na yung bulsa ko. Bulsa namin. And yes, we thank God kung hindi nyo ulit natanong how we started here in UAE. Sobrang...
Nag-start kami sa sa bed space.
Sa partition na sabi nila na parang kasize lang ng CR. And
na may kasamang maraming tao.
And we move sa isang room, and then we move sa isang room na may CR. And now, nung dumating sa Aurora, we planned and we decided to move sa sarili naming place.
Na wala kaming kasamang ibang tao.
And we are here sa bahay namin, one bedroom apartment or one bedroom flat. And itutour namin kayo. Are you excited?
Kapag nakapasok na kayo sa house namin, ito yung pintuan. Obviously, ito yung pintuan. So, pagka-pasok yung, pag tumingin kayo sa kanan, ito na yung guest toilet namin. So, habang talaga ko si Rona. Yung guest toilet namin, bali may 2 toilet to. So, yan lang siya. Yan. So, kapag may mga bisita kami, yan yung kanilang toilet.
So, ito yung kitchen namin.
Yan. Ito ang
Refrigerator. Ayan.
And
Mga memorabilia namin kung saan kami nagpupunta. And
before.
ito, para hindi mahirapang magluto, may kodigo kami dyan, pero
Hindi na susunod.
hindi na susunod. Ano lang yan? Guide. And dito lahat ang may microwave kami.
Microwave,
Ayan,
washing machine.
washing machine.
Yes.
Nagpapadali ng buhay namin dito.
Yes. Itong washing machine, kung nakikita nyo.
Yes.
Yes. Importante
Okay.
sa OFW, kailangan
Yes.
mabilis
Yung
magpatuloy
ref
ng
namin.
gamit.
Oops. So that's our kitchen.
Yes. Diretso naman tayo guys sa aming sala. Let's go! So today, ito ang sala at dining table area namin. So diyan kami kumakain, diyan kami nag-uusap as a family. Tapos ito ang aming wall clock. Nagawa ni Melvin.
Dito ang aming living room.
Living room. Pakita mo naman si Tiger Baby.
At
Say
meron
hi.
kaming
Tiger Baby. Say
walking tiger. Ano ba? Leopard. And this is Aurora's play tent.
hi. Yes.
Yes. And this is our view in the room, sa bahay.
Pupunta mo siya dito.
Ayan. So, kapag break ko from work, dito lang ako tumitingin sa malayo. Yes. And Aurora is
guys.
inside her play tent.
Hi guys.
Say hi, Aurora.
Hi guys. Hi guys. You say hi guys.
Yan. Happy na siyang maglaro dyan. And eto, TV rack pero wala kaming TV. We decided not to have a TV for now because of Aurora. Wow! Ayan.
Yan.
Yan yung mga toys niya. And this is Aurora's cabinet actually. And photo wall. Ginawa ko yan nung dumating kami dito.
Yes, my pictures, my story.
This is our shoe rack. Nandiyan lang siya.
Diyan lang siya. And dito na tayo sa bedroom.
Ang shoe rack pa. And ayan, sampayan. Wala kaming terrace or veranda, balcony.
Yan ang aming sampayan.
Yan ang aming sampayan. Sa loob lang.
Yes! And guys, welcome to our room! So, papasok na rin si Aurora ng room ni mom and dad niya. So, ito ang aming room. Yes, don't close it, anak. So, there. Pagpasok nyo, makikita nyo ang
Opisina ni Melvin.
opisina ni Melvin.
And that's my office table. Kabayo. Normally dito ako nag-work. At ayan, that's my office table. And that's Aurora's cabinet.
Na naman, Aurora's cabinet na naman.
And our bed.
Our bed and our cabinet.
And syempre, ang mahiwagang
Vicks
Vicks
ni
ni Lordy.
Oh my God! Pangsakit, kasu-kasuan.
Ayan, attached cabinet. And
There you go. Our view.
view, same lang. Yeah.
Guys, papasok tayo sa aming toilet dito sa net.
And, ayan, punta tayo ngayon sa
Toilet namin sa room.
saan ba?
Ito ang aming toilet.
Ayan.
So, there. Actually, chandelier. Walang chandelier yan dati. Ayun si ate. Ganun.
Ayan, si ate. Hi, mag-hi ka. Aurora, say hi.
Say hi! Hi guys! Have it.
So, there you have it. Sobrang happy namin ngayon kasi we were able to share to you kung saan kami nakatira for now. And this year, there are a lot of exciting things na i-share namin sa inyo. We will be staying here up until March
This year.
this year. So, yung mga susunod na kabanata, abangan ninyo because we will be sharing our journey for this year. We are excited i-share yung buhay namin sa inyo, mga inspiring kwento and
Yes.
all. And of course, Aurora's milestones.
And yun, we decided to share this house tour for you all para pa-encourage kayo na dati kasi pinag-pray lang namin tong place. Pero
Nililay hands lang namin.
Yes, nililay hands lang namin tong place na to na dati parang imposible sa amin na
But God made a way
Yes, but God
where there
made a
seems
way.
to be no way.
Yes.
Ayun! So, hanggang sa muli! And always remember, love makes the world go around. God bless!
Bye!